answering questions.
What does a yacht designer actually do?
A yacht designer is designing vessels for pleasure. A yacht designer takes the vision, a dream of a client, and bring that dream into reality through the first images and drawings of that yacht. After that, the designer has to collaborate with a naval architect, with the shipyards, with engineers, a lot of teams to make sure that that vision is kept and built to the client's wishes. In the end, it's about having a yacht, a design built that will offer great experience and great joy on the water. So the yacht designer is providing the means, the ideas, the aesthetics for a product that will offer a good time to their users.